F-350 Super Crew dually, dual rear wheel with a enclosed utility box. One owner, previous government fleet vehicle, super well maintained, four-wheel drive, really clean cab. A few minor door dings here and there, you'd come to expect from a pre-owned vehicle, but overall, very good condition. And you have this giant enclosed utility box. All the doors open. You got a rack with, it kind of looks like they must have used it for a ladder. Steel back bumper, towing package. You got your storage here. Storage compartments in here and here. I got pictures of that if you take a look at the pictures of those opened up. I also have pictures of it with the back open. On the inside, you can take a look at that. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, vinyl floors, cloth seats, cruise control, CD player, aux input for MP3, four-wheel drive on the fly. It's got a trailer brake controller, your auxiliary switches for any extras that you need, such as lights. Nice big back seat. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.